Brother of popular dancehall entertainer Jashii shot and killed in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man said to be the brother of popular dancehall entertainer Maliki Clark, more popularly known as Jashii, was shot and killed by gunmen in Grand Spence, Kingston during an early morning attack on Saturday. Reports are that the man was at home when a group of criminals went to the location. Sources in the area reported that minutes later loud explosions were heard. The police were called to the area and the body of the victim was found. A high police presence is in the area as crime scene investigators process the scene. The identity of the man killed has not yet been released by the police. Sources from the community said the man is the brother of the popular dancehall entertainer. In July of this year, a motor vehicle in which the dancehall entertainer Jashii was traveling in was attacked by armed men. 6 men, all members of the entertainer's entourage, were shot and injured, with the entertainer escaping injury. Jashii has been in the news since his name emerged in an ongoing murder investigation. In June, the police expressed an interest in speaking to the Born Fighter DJ as they believe that Jashii could have information about the death of 45-year-old businessman Omar Romy Wright. Jashii later surrendered himself to the police in the company of his attorney, King's Counsel Peter Champagne and Richard Lynch. He was questioned and released by the police about the June 7 murder. It's not clear whether this is stemming from the 45-year-old businessman Omar Romy Wright killing, as the police continue their investigation. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.